everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Google account password on your Android phone. So you might be able to find your password under the Google account password manager, and this is probably the easiest way just to see anything that's saved on here. So go to the top right and go to settings, and you can scroll on down to Google if you have a Samsung phone, but on my Pixel phone I can just see Google at the top. Then we can go over to all services, scroll on down, go to autofill with Google, go to Google Password Manager. So if you have any passwords in here, including your Google account, I have no password saved on this account. I just use it for videos. You can just go to it and tap it, and it should reveal the password. There's going to be a little eye with a cross through it. Just tap that, and then you can see the password. So on your Samsung phone, it might be a little bit different. Now, if you don't see the password on this account, what you might want to do is switch to a different Google account, and you might have it saved on there. So you can scroll on down and just locate Google. So you can go to all services right here. Now, like I said, if you have a different Google account, try switching to that one. And then log in, or just select it. And once you switch to the other account, you might be able to reveal the password for your previous account. So you might have it saved in there under Google Password Manager. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.